masters. In the masters, okay. In accounts true books, we are having the masters. In the masters, customers, suppliers will be created in the in the HQ contact master. The customers will be created in the past. So everything is become centralized, which are all become centralized. Then those customers will be displayed in the customers master. Suppliers, not only trading suppliers, other than the trading, so we will use to buy the furnitures, systems, camera and all. So for that will be having suppliers. So you can create those suppliers in the supplier masters. Bank. So in the bank master, so there will be common bank. In certain cases, there will be some one outlet, means they can use the one bank for the all trading process, and they might be having one more account bank in the HQ itself. So you can select the location. So either all location or only in HQ. So if you select all location, you can create a bank. So you can create this for all locations and you can save this. If you want to create only for the HQ, you have to select the HQ location and you have to create. Then tax master. So the tax master, by default, all the tax details will be available. If they want to create any TDS calculations, they can use this tax master. So in the tax master, I have created a rental. So tax type I have selected as a TDS. So I will show you. Now I am selecting a all location. So tax name, here I am just giving as a transport. Okay, so if you select others, VAT, TDS. So if you want to calculate TDS or GST, you can put the here TDS and you can enter and you can select the so whether it is logistics, the details we have to select. Okay, so correspondent TDS name we have to select here. And you can save this. So let us create this as advertisement. So here you can select technique. Here we can select the corresponding payment to transporters agreement. So you can select payment to advertisement contractors. So this option you can select and you can save this. Whenever you made the payment, the tax percentage will be deducted. But we have to give manually at present. You can see this in the reports at the time of transaction. So this is the income. So it's very rare to use. In expenses, we can create a lot of expenses. Printing and stationaries and expenses. So is there any GST code? So you can map there. For example, already we have done. So here you can map the SAC code. So we can create this admin expenses. So in the printing and stationery, I can put SAC code. So for the product in trading, they will call it as HSN code. In the same in accounts, they will call us SAC code. So here you can select the GST percent, 5% means you can select the GST 5%, and you can save this.